Compound butter is an incredible way to step up a super simple recipe by infusing flavors in every little aspect of this meal. We're gonna pair luxurious, tasty butter with juicy, tender fillets. Incredibly little effort with a major payoff. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and the food is just delicious. My name is Yanni, and today we're making Cowboy Butter with Filet Mignon. Before we begin, you know the deal. Do me a little flavor and hit the like button, hit subscribe to the channel, and of course, tap on our little notification bell. Let's get into it. It's important to prepare the cowboy butter at least a few hours before you plan on serving it, or preferably a whole day, to allow all the flavors to meld together. In a bowl, use an electric mixer or a stand mixer to beat the butter until it is soft and fluffy. We're gonna add our fresh parsley, chopped chives, garlic clove, fresh lemon juice, lemon zest, smoked paprika, freshly ground black pepper, and red pepper flakes. Beat this until it's well combined. The butter must be fully softened before making the cowboy butter to have a fully homogeneous product. Try to use the best quality butter for the best tasting cowboy butter. Transfer the butter mixture to the center of a piece of plastic wrap. Lift one side of the plastic wrap and cover the cowboy butter. Squeeze this to form a log shape. Roll the log to completely seal the cowboy butter and make sure it's even. Twist the ends very tight to compact the butter and create this final perfectly even log shape. Refrigerate this until it's firm, about 2 to 3 hours. Now prepare your steaks by rubbing them with olive oil and seasoning them with black pepper and salt. Heat a cast iron or a heavy pan to medium-high heat. Place the filet mignon on the pan and cook it for 5 to 8 minutes on each side, or until the internal temperature reaches between 125 degrees Fahrenheit and 130 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare temperature. Instead of filet mignon, a ribeye is an excellent choice to pair with the cowboy butter. Remove the steaks from the grill and top with a thick slice of the cowboy butter, and let the steaks rest for 5 minutes. Serve with a salad and mashed potatoes or your favorite sides. Enjoy! For the full recipe, head to that description box below or go to cozymeal.com/recipes. There are so many incredible recipes from chefs on Cozymeal, so do not forget to check that link out. Babes, if you have not already, don't forget to hit like on this video and hit subscribe to the channel. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. Mwah! I will see you next time.